Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Bluetooth headphones sound stuttering. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the start menu over here and search for troubleshoot settings. And now, once you are here, just simply go for additional troubleshooters. So click on over here, additional troubleshooters. And after that, you should be able to see here Bluetooth. So click on over here, Bluetooth. And now click on run the troubleshooter, and as you can see, it will find and fix the problem with your Bluetooth devices. So from here, it will automatically solve the issues for you. As you can see, it fixed it. And now another option that you have, if the problem is still showing, just simply go to the start menu again, and from here just simply search for device manager. And now, here on the device manager, you should be able to see Bluetooth. Just simply select it, as you can see over here. And after that, just simply select your Bluetooth or your headphones. So just simply select it and right click on it. And you should be able to see here update driver. So just simply click on it. And after that, just simply click on search automatically for drivers. And when it has an update, you should be able to update it over here. And after that, once you have done all of that, you can just simply go to the start menu over here and just simply go to the power and just simply restart your computer, and you should be able to fix the issue. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.